This video is very useful for those who have interested in programming, designing and get remote jobs. To watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel Ajay Digital World. Here you get the best tutorial on online money making tools. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning websites and freelancing sites for you to check out the I button. Share the video to your friends and relatives. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is a SitePoint? SitePoint is a web developer community that offers courses through its premium library. SitePoint is a website and publisher of books, courses, and blogs for web developers based in Melbourne, where you are educated, learn HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP, mobile app creation, responsive web, and more with SitePoint tutorials, courses, and books. If you visit the site link in the description box. Is SitePoint a free service? 1 year of SitePoint Premium is free. This provides unrestricted access to 82 ebooks, 66 classes, and over 180 plus web development and design screencasts. At Bitbucket, you can create an infinite number of public and private repositories to host your personal and technical projects for free. Is it worthwhile to pay for the SitePoint Premium? Low cost, but not especially enjoyable. SitePoint is less expensive per month than Treehouse, but it lacks the fun aspect, engaging classes, and support access. SitePoint has a lot of coding ebooks for all levels of training, so it's certainly worth a look for those who want to self-teach. What is the method for deleting a SitePoint account? Accounts are not deleted by us. Please contact an administrator on this site if you'd like your username changed to something that won't be associated with you. Get limitless access to a curated library from the world's best tech publishers in the SitePoint section. You can access books, classes, and the community for work. This site has a library where you can find a range of books and courses, such as 1. JavaScript, 2. HTML and CSS, 3. PHP, 4. Python is a programming language, 5. UX and design, 6. DevOps. I hope you all really liked the video. This video is very useful for students and all remote job seekers. If you help that kind of people who do not know about these kinds of useful websites, share with them. Leave a comment, do you like the video? Hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Good luck.